Your most important landscaping sidekick, your trusty lawnmower, can sometimes experience setbacks. Regular maintenance helps prevent problems, but wear and tear can still happen. Here are the top 5 troubleshooting tips to keep your mower running smoothly. If the starter rope is hard to pull or seems stuck, it could be due to the engine flywheel brake being engaged. Make sure the brake is completely released before pulling. Alternatively, the blade may be dragging or clogged with clippings. Clear the underside, get back to a safe position, and give it another pull. When your mower won't start, double-check the gas tank. It might be empty. If not, old gas can also cause problems. Consider draining the tank and filling it with fresh gas. Other possible causes include a loose or dirty spark plug, a dirty air filter, or fuel not reaching the engine. If you lose power in the middle of mowing, it could be due to a dirty air filter, cutting tall grass, a dirty spark plug, or a buildup of clippings and debris. Clean or replace the filter, raise the cutting height, and clear the underside of the mower deck. If your mower is struggling to cut grass, it may be due to a buildup of clippings and debris or a dull, bent, or loose mower blade. Clean the deck and ensure the side discharge chute is clear. Sharpen or replace the blade if necessary. If your mower is smoking, it's usually not serious. It could be due to an overfilled oil chamber or oil leakage into the exhaust muffler. Let it burn off while the engine is hot. However, if you notice lighter colored smoke and have trouble keeping the mower running, it's time to consult a professional. Remember, sometimes specialized tools or skills are required for a fix, or DIY attempts may not be sufficient. In those cases, it's best to call a professional. Find a Briggs & Stratton service dealer near you for expert help. Keep your lawnmower in top shape and enjoy a well-maintained lawn.